The art of first impressions, crafting the perfect sales pitch. Struggling to captivate your prospects from the get-go? Discover the secrets of crafting the perfect sales pitch and create memorable first impressions. Know your audience like the back of your hand. Research your prospects, understand their needs and preferences, and tailor your pitch to address their specific pain points. Reel them in with a powerful hook. Start with a captivating statement, a relatable story, or a jaw-dropping statistic to grab their attention and make them eager to hear more. Showcase your unique value proposition. Clearly articulate how your product or service solves their problem, improves their situation, or helps them achieve their goals. Boost credibility with social proof. Share testimonials, case studies, or industry accolades to prove your offering's worth and instill confidence in your prospect's decision. Finish strong with a clear call to action. Guide your prospects toward the next step, whether it's booking a demo, scheduling a call, or signing up for a free trial. Master the art of first impressions and watch your sales soar. Keep refining your pitch and practice relentlessly. And remember, first impressions count. Subscribe for more sales mastery tips. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next short, Body Language Secrets. Unlocking your sales potential and unlock the power of nonverbal communication.